Kawasaki Z H2 best motorcycles. With major shows and public launches cancelled due to the pandemic last year, motorcycle manufacturers have had even more time to design, improve and manufacture the best new motorcycles in 2022. And after the long lockdown periods around the world, your thirst for freedom and adventure will be greater than ever. What better way to celebrate the thrill of being alive than with a new motorcycle? Of course, there's a lot to consider before investing in one of the all-new high-end 2022 motorcycles. That is why we have made this list to help you decide what is the best motorcycle for you in 2022. But let us first dive into the reasons why 2022 is the perfect year to buy one of these top 10 best motorcycles. More power, the need for speed, and thus smooth and efficient acceleration, is a common reason to invest in a more powerful new motorcycle. 2022's newest and best motorcycles have solid amounts of horsepower, impressive torque specifications and larger engines for top speeds no matter what type of road you drive. Improved design. Let's be honest, style is an important factor when it comes to choosing the best motorcycle. Whether you prefer a rugged, torquey adventure bike or are more of a sports bike rider, and whether you've been on the track for a while or just started, 2022 has some sleek new designs waiting for you. New technology. Apart from increased top speeds and engine volume, the best motorcycles of 2022 are also equipped with advanced electronic systems, rider assistance and advanced safety features that cannot be overestimated when considering the sheer brute force of today's most spectacular two-wheeled engines. Higher comfort. The improved technological features of the new 2022 motorcycles not only improve your safety when riding and racing, but are also designed for more comfort and convenience. With radars, blind spot monitoring, Bluetooth connectivity and more, the latest features are guaranteed to give you the most relaxed and comfortable driving experience. More economic. Over the last decade, both riders and non-riders have become more environmentally conscious, and manufacturers are meeting the demand. With improved engines, fuel efficiency is at a record high, while emissions are reaching a new low and electric motorcycles are up and coming. In the long run, buying one of the 10 best motorcycles of 2022 can be a relief for the environment and your wallet. What are the best motorcycles? Now that you are up and running with improvements, types and criteria for the best motorcycle of the year, it is time to choose your new motorcycle. Let us easily introduce you to the best motorcycles. 2022 Kawasaki Z H2 Style. Street bike, hyper naked, engine type. Liquid cooled, 4-cylinder. DOHC, 4 VPC displacement. 998cc bore X stroke, 76.0 mm by 55.0 mm max horsepower. 200 horsepower at 10,500 revolutions per minute max torque. 101 pound-feet at 8,500 revolutions per minute weight. 527 pounds, 239 kilograms MSRP, $17,500 if you were after a powerful naked bike. The 200 horsepower, over 100 ft-lbs of torque and smooth supercharged engine of the 2022 Kawasaki Z H2 are sure to deliver. The edgy Z design and street bike ergonomics make it an irresistible choice for the speed-loving everyday rider who can choose from a vast range of amenities to be included in this high-end bike. Conclusion. 2022 is an exciting year for new motorcycles. From innovative designs and more power than ever when it comes to sports bikes, the Paris-Dakar nostalgia-inspired adventure bikes and the brave new feature from Harley-Davidson that breaks into ADV the world with a brand new, aggressive machine, this may be the best year to shop for a new bike. Whether you're looking for style, comfort, pure horsepower or off-road capability, there's something for everyone, and if you're ready to go green, there's a range of electric bikes on offer. No matter which new motorcycle you choose, Monomoto wishes you many happy kilometers.